Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. I hope everyone is doing a beautiful day. I hope everyone is doing well. Oh, we can see Tiro. I know she is doing the most. She is doing the most, Ugeli. She is getting a gig left, right and center. She is making her own money. She is securing her own bag. She is securing her own bag, as she has told Usbindu Banahai. I can see that Amahle is a hebo baba kind of girl, but again, I am not. As we can all see, Ubana, she's been getting gigs left, right and center from Brutale Fruit, Lego, Viracell. Like, it's a lot. I saw the other one that she was doing with Sunflower, and now she has also gotten more and more gigs. Even LG is approaching Tiro. She is definitely making money for herself, and money definitely looks gorgeous on her because she looks gorgeous every day. And yes, ama-fans ka-Tirelo now, they are over the moon on behalf of Tirelo, because everyone is like, girl, we wish you well, girl, we're so happy for you, this life looks good on you. Like, her fans are so happy, and her fans always, as she always banner, you must always pray. God does listen to your prayers. I guess Kena, at this moment your prayers are being answered. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.